Hello guys, in this video I will be showing my rain rats, and this is my first floor. Some trash rain rat, but this is not trash. Sorry for my grammar, I'm a Filipino. And this is my second floor, and this is the second floor. This is my third floor. Wait. Let me change it. Okay, here. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Chadley out.